What's up, YouTube? We here back with another video, and this video is going to be like investing. So if you want to start investing, download Robinhood, link down below. You get a free stock once you link up your bank account and etc. You can also do it with Webull with other people, but I just don't personally use Webull, so I use Fidelity, and I prefer Fidelity because you do fractional buying shares. Once, if you don't have like $100 to buy a $100 stock, you can do $2, $5, $4, whatever amount into a stock, and you can also do that with Robinhood. That's why I recommend those two, and you can reinvest your dividends. So then your compound interest builds up. If you guys don't know what that is, I can explain it in a different video, or yeah, etc. like that. And then before this video starts, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And alright, let's get into it. Obviously, you can see by the title, it's what I think the 3 best dividend stocks are gonna be for the month of August, due to the fact of the stimulus check coming out. Hear me out, okay? I think Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, is going to pop off pretty good due to the fact that they're supposed to have a Walmart Plus dropping pretty soon, before school gets back. There was an article, Tom Guide I believe it was, where the premium Prime is going to be $98. It's compared to Amazon, which is $119. I think it's going to be good because it's 1-day shipping, and then if you pay an extra $10, I think you get 2-hour shipping to your house, okay? And then the annual dividend is at 2.16, which is really good. That's 1.65% of the actual stock. And then the safety of the dividend is 99. It's 45 dividend growth, right? 45 years dividend growth. And then it's up 17.18% of 52 weeks. And I just think they're going to do really good due to the fact how many warehouses and Walmarts there is. Look in your neighborhood, okay? I bet you there's a Walmart not even 15 to 10 minutes away from your house, okay? They're gonna do deliveries from the stores to the neighborhoods and stuff like that. I think it's gonna work really, really well. You guys should check it out. I highly recommend it, I think. The second one is Realty, ticker symbol is O, right? Hear me out. The annual is 2.8, right? The annual is $2.80. It's 4.88 of the actual stock price. The safety is 74. This is a monthly paying dividend. They have increased their dividends for 91 quarters, right? So that's every 3 months. For 91 3 months that have passed, they have increased their dividends, okay? They're down 17.14 for 52 weeks, all right? That means they have a possibility of going up in price when everything with the coronavirus plays out. And they own Dollar Generals, Walgreens, Ulta, Kroger's, Lifetime, Walmart's, Coca-Cola, Sam Clubs, right? Once this stimulus check hits, they're gonna be running to Walmart, Sam's Club. They're gonna need to order stuff online because they're gonna be scared. That goes back to Walmart. They're gonna be scared to order stuff, go in stores due to this coronavirus, so they're gonna do 1-day shipping. That's perfect. Walmart, I think, is going to play into this, and Realty is going to play into this also, because everyone's going to go to the store. They're going to buy Coca-Cola. They're going to buy groceries. They're going to need to go to the dollar store, because if certain regions, certain places in the world, like in the countryside here, in like where I live, I guess, there's like a lot of Dollar Generals in that area, and Dollar General have been going good. And then Lifetime also, it's a gym. Everyone that I know, like a lot of people go to the gym and go to Lifetime, and then now since all this is, there's money going to be depositing to everyone's checkings account that qualifies for the stimulus check, they're going to be getting money off of it. And this one is just for safety precaution, right? I'm doing this myself, okay, because people that start investing might not know what stock or mutual fund or S&P 500 to look into, and I highly recommend this one, okay? Because once this money hits, these are the top 5. This one is the S&P Vanguard 500, okay? The ticker symbol is VOO. I'm saying that I'm gonna be investing into this, and please take into account I'm not a financial advisor, that this is the top 500 companies in the world, right? So the annual dividend payout is $5.34, which is 1.88 of the stock. The annual their payouts, they've been paying out for 9 years. They're up 6.53% for 52 weeks. And I'm recommending this one because instead of just picking one stock and gambling a lot of your money into that one stock, if you don't know the research of the company and just want to invest and get a pretty good return rate within like a year or so, whatever, and get paid dividends, I would highly recommend investing into the Vanguard S&P 500 VOO, VOO ticker symbol. They pay you $5 a year if you have a whole complete stock. I think the ETF is going around $300 right now. And once again, you don't need to buy it completely. If you're using Fidelity or Robinhood, you can do fractional shares. So say if you're able to put $20 a week, you can buy the stock for $20 a week until you hit a full 300 or 299, wherever it's sitting at right now. And then you can own a stock eventually, correct? But you don't have to buy it full out. So if you guys want to start investing, use Fidelity or Robinhood. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you guys help if you guys don't know where to start and stuff like that. I am no means a financial advisor, so please do your own work and look into what you want to do. But I think those 3 stocks are going to be really good in August due to the fact that Walmart has something coming out. Realty, people are going to start shopping at those places. They're going to have to pay rent and everything like that. Because Fidelity, they rent out to those big companies, if you guys didn't know. And then S&P 500, top 500 companies in the world, people are just going to be buying stuff just to buy stuff when they get that money. So if those companies are doing good, the S&P 500 will do good. So I think you guys should look into it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys are going to be investing into. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.